the octopus, a super smart sea creature with 8 arms and the power to change color. From solving puzzles to hiding in plain sight, this amazing animal is full of surprises. Let's explore the world of the octopus. 1. 3 hearts. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills for oxygen, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. When they swim, the heart that pumps blood to the body stops, which is why octopuses prefer crawling instead of swimming. It's less tiring. 2. Incredible intelligence. Octopuses are considered one of the most intelligent invertebrates. They can solve complex puzzles, use tools, and even escape from enclosures. Some have been observed opening jars to get food inside. 3. Camouflage experts. Octopuses can change the color and texture of their skin to blend into their surroundings. This camouflage ability helps them hide from predators and sneak up on prey. They use specialized cells called chromatophores to do this. 4. 8 arms, not tentacles. Octopuses have 8 arms, not tentacles. Each arm is lined with suckers that can independently grip, taste, and even feel objects. This makes them extremely skilled at manipulating objects in their environment. 5. They can regrow limbs. If an octopus loses an arm, it can grow a new one over time. This regeneration ability helps them survive in the wild, where they might get injured while escaping predators. 6. No bones. Octopuses don't have bones, which allows them to squeeze through incredibly small spaces. As long as their beak, the hard part of their body, can fit through, the rest of their soft body can slip through too. 7. Short lifespan. Most octopuses have a very short lifespan. Some species live only around 1 to 2 years. Despite their short lives, they grow quickly and mature fast. 8. Ink for defense. When threatened, octopuses can eject a cloud of ink to create a smoke screen. This allows them to escape from predators while the ink confuses their attackers. The ink also has a toxic compound that can temporarily blind predators. 9. Unique blood. The blood of an octopus is blue, not red. This is because their blood contains copper-based hemocyanin, which helps them survive in the cold, low-oxygen environment of the deep ocean. 10. They have beaks. At the center of their arms, octopuses have a sharp beak made of keratin, like a bird's beak. They use it to bite and tear apart prey like crabs or shellfish. Their beaks are so strong, they can even break through the hard shells of clams.
Starfish or sea stars are very beautiful marine animals that come in various colors, shapes, and sizes. There are more than 2,000 species of starfish. Some live in the shallows of the ocean, while others live in the deep waters of the ocean. Although many species live in tropical regions, starfish can also be found in colder regions. They live especially in the polar regions. Although starfish typically only have 5 arms, some starfishes can grow up to 40 arms. Although sea stars are commonly called as starfish, they are not actually a fish. They do not have gills, scales, or fins on their bodies like a fish. Starfishes also move quite differently from other fishes. A normal fish would propel themselves with their tails, but sea stars use small tube-shaped legs to move around. And that is why sea stars are not classified as fishes, and scientists refer to starfish as sea stars. An interesting fact is that starfishes can regrow lost arms, and they can do so even if they are hunted by mutants and lose part of their body. But this doesn't happen very quickly. It can take up to a year for an arm to regrow. Starfish have slightly prickly skin, and they have a rough texture on their surface. Also, their spines are used for protection against predators such as birds, fish, and sea otters. Starfishes feed on oysters, other small fishes, snails, and algae. Starfishes have eyes. You may be surprised to hear that, but it's true. They have an eye spot at the end of each arm. That is, a 5-armed starfish has 5 eyes and a 40-armed starfish has 40 eyes. And each starfish's eye looks like a red dot. But they cannot see like us. They can only sense light and dark. Blue whales are the largest marine mammals. They can reach 80 to 100 feet long and weigh up to 150,000 kilograms, which is equivalent to the weight of 30 adult elephants. A baby blue whale can weigh up to 2,000 kilograms at birth. The lifespan of a blue whale is about 80 to 90 years, and they can live up to a maximum of 110 years. Blue whales love to eat shrimp and other small fishes. The weight of the food they eat per day can be up to 4,000 kilograms. The interesting thing about this is that the throat area of blue whales is so small that they cannot even swallow food the size of a basketball, so they do not cause any harm to humans. Did you know that blue whales can sing? Yes, they do sing when they are with their young ones, and they can sing continuously for a maximum of 6 minutes. Apart from humans, they are the only living creatures that can sing. Blue whales don't swim when they sleep. When they sleep, due to their heavy weight, they slowly sink to the bottom of the ocean. As soon as they touch the surface, they wake up and swim back up. The blue whale is the loudest animal in the world. They can make noise up to almost 188 decibels. It is equivalent to the sound of a fighter jet. Fishes usually swim by swinging their tail left and right, but the blue whale swims by swinging its tail up and down. This creature is also known to take the longest distances in the world. They swim from cooler to warmer oceans. Blue whales must breathe air like humans, so every 15 minutes they come to the surface of the sea to breathe air. But they can stay in the deep sea without breathing air for almost 45 minutes. In the 1990s, blue whales were seen to be in millions. But currently, there are only 10,000 to 20,000 in the world. Blue whales are being hunted for food and medical uses, and their population is declining. So in a few years, we may only see blue whales in museums. It is a very sad thing to hear. Penguins are one of about 40 species of birds that cannot fly. Scientists say that there are 17 species of penguins and 13 of them are on the verge of extinction. The world's rarest are the yellow-eyed penguins, with only about 5,000 living today. Penguins live in the southern polar regions of the world, mainly in Antarctica, but also in countries such as New Zealand, Australia, and South Africa. Penguins have short legs that make their bodies appear low, and they appear to stand upright like humans. The normal body temperature of penguins is approximately 38 degrees Celsius. Their feathers have special layers that help them stay warm in cold weather. A layer of fat under their skin protects them from cold. Although penguins drink salt water from the ocean, glands in their bodies filter it out and expel it. Penguins cannot breathe underwater, but they can swim underwater for 15 to 30 minutes. And some species can swim as deeper as 6,000 feet. Penguins' eyes work better underwater than on land. Penguins swallow pebbles as they also help in grinding and digesting their food. Penguins gain weight and use it to swim to deeper areas. Penguins can glide across the surface of ice using their stomachs. It is also used as a means of moving from one place to another. Penguins usually swim at 5 to 6 miles per hour and walk at 2 to 3 miles per hour. Each penguin species had different ways of attracting their mates. For example, singing songs to attract their partners or by gifting them pebbles. Penguins communicate with each other using different sounds and gestures. Penguins recognize their mates and their chicks by their unique sounds. Penguins are very affectionate with their mates, incubating their eggs and feeding their young. Some penguins go without food for about 100 days during the incubation period. Penguins are friendly with humans and other animals too. There are 6,800 species of crabs in the world, and they come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. The smallest type of crab in the world is said to be the pea crab, which is 1 centimeter in size, and the largest crab is the spider crab, which is almost 4 meters long. Crabs are commonly found in a variety of environments, from deep sea to freshwater and terrestrial. Crabs have hard shells that provide protection and strength to their bodies. As they grow, their shells naturally have a growing body structure. Crabs don't usually walk straight like other creatures. They are known for their unique side-to-side walking. Crabs have compound eyes. Some species of crabs can see in multiple directions at once, and that helps them locate predators and prey. Crabs communicate with each other through gestures, sounds, and chemical cues. They use these methods to establish dominance, attract mates, and warn the others of enemy threats. Common food of crabs include algae, floating plants, small fishes, and some species actively hunt their own species for food. The coconut crab is the largest land crab, and they are known for their strength. These crabs are capable of climbing trees, can even break coconuts with their powerful claws, and are capable and strong enough to carry objects heavier than themselves. Dolphins are mammals that live in water. There are about 36 species of dolphins found in the world. A dolphin can grow from 1 meter to 10 meters long and weigh between 50 kilograms and 10 tons. A dolphin's average lifespan can range between 15 and 20 years. Dolphins have 2 stomachs. One is used to store food, and the other for digestion. Just as each person's handprint is different, so is the voice of each dolphin. Dolphins can use sound to navigate and communicate with other dolphins. Dolphins eat a variety of fish, shrimp, jellyfish, and octopus. Dolphins are highly intelligent. Its brain is larger and more complex than the human brain. They are friendly with humans. Most dolphins live in oceans and coastal waters, and some live in rivers. Dolphins are fast swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 55 km per hour. Dolphins live very closely with their families and are more likely to help each other.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,